Hello guys, welcome to NEH Nikita's Educational Hub. Get your share of dosage. This is Nikita. In this video, I am going to tell you about Excel. This is the video about navigation to Excel. So what is an Excel? An Excel is part of MS Office. MS Office contains MS Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint. So we'll start about MS Excel. So let's get into the topic. So today's topic is navigation to Excel. In this video, I am going to cover about Excel, workbook, worksheet, quick access toolbar, tabs, ribbons, name box, formula bar, zoom bar, scroll bar, minimize, maximize and close buttons, save workbook. First, we will start about Excel. Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet developed by Microsoft for Windows, MacOS, Android and iOS. It is a powerful tool which is used for calculations, graphing, pivot tables and Visual Basic for applications. So, what is worksheet? These are called sheets, worksheets. Here if we go into this worksheet, there are many vertical lines and horizontal lines. The intersection of the vertical lines and horizontal lines is called a cell. So this is a cell. Here there are many cells. So the worksheet is the collection of cells in rows and columns. Next, what is a workbook? A workbook is a collection of worksheets. See here we can see there are 3 worksheets. So the collection of these worksheets is called a workbook. And one more thing I want to tell you, the Excel version here we are using is 2019 and the Windows is we are using 8.1. In previous versions of Excel, it has given 3 worksheets by default, but now in recent versions they are giving only 1 worksheet by default. Here I have added 2 more worksheets. Just by clicking the symbol, we can here plus symbol, we can add more worksheets. Next. Next is quick access toolbar. So if we go here on the top left side of the Excel sheet, we have the quick access toolbar. Here we have the options called save, undo, redo options. Right below this quick access toolbar, we have a menu bar. In the menu bar, we have options called file, home, insert, page layout, formulas, data, review, view, developer. Right below this menu bar, we have ribbons. These are called ribbons. For every this menu, for each of the menu, we have different ribbons, and in each ribbon, we have different functions. So we have covered quick access toolbar, tabs, ribbons. Next comes to name box, formula bar. So we'll go to sheet 1. Here right below the ribbons, we have name box. This is called a name box and this is called the formula bar. So what is a name box? Suppose when I place the cursor or select the cell, here in the name box, it is showing as B4. What does this B4 represents? B4 represents the column B and the row 4. So for each and every cell in the Excel, there is a name. See for example, if I select this cell, the name has changed to D5. It represents the column D and row 5. Next is the formula bar. This is the formula bar where you can simply type the formulas for the calculations purpose. For example, equals to A1 plus B2 plus C3. See, here for each and every cell, it is showing different colors. So if you don't want to type the formula here in the formula bar, you can just select the cell, and you can simply enter the formula here. This is the other option you have. Okay, next, zoom bar and scroll bars. See here, first one is zoom bar, right? This is called the zoom bar. Here we have the option to increase zoom, zoom in and zoom out. If you want to zoom, you can just press this symbol, plus symbol. See here, it is going to increase by 130%. So if you go on pressing this, it will be increasing. If you want to zoom out, just click this symbol. If you want to go to normal, just press this middle, will go to 100% to fit the size. Next are scroll bars. In Excel, we have two scroll bars. One is vertical scroll bar and the other is horizontal scroll bar. If you want to move from top to bottom, you can use this vertical scroll bar, and if you want to move from left to right and right to left, you can move this horizontal scroll bar. Next one is minimize, maximize and close options. In the upper right column, we have the options called minimize, maximize and close options. See, this is called minimize, this is maximize, and this is the close one, to close the worksheet or workbook. Next one is how to save the workbook. It is so simple. To save the workbook, just go to the file and here select save as, and now I am going to save in desktop. Here select the desktop. Now it is asking where I have to, what is the file name I have to give. Suppose I am going to give the name as navigation to Excel, and the format I have selected is Excel workbook. So you can just click the save button. It is going to save. See here, you can see that it has been saved as navigation to Excel. So these are the topics we have covered in this video about navigation to Excel. I hope you have understand the topic. Okay guys, that's it for this today's videos. We'll come up with a next topic in my next video. Uh, and and last is, please like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. Click on the bell icon to get the notifications. Thank you guys. Take care. Goodbye.